video about when we meet Tails. So just sit back and enjoy and watch. So, what are you real? Tell us your story. Yeah, what's your story? Well, my story is about, well, it's really hard to tell the first few bits. I know the last bit. Okay, tell us. I got pranked. Oh my goodness! Whatever. Okay, just what? Whatever. Oh, are you really sure about this? Are you sure we should take a jump from here all the way to the other side there? No. No, I'm not. No. This is not safe. That is not safe. So, really, it's just a bit like a, well, I'm not really sure. Hey, what are you talking about? I don't even understand you. Okay, so, bye-bye. Woo! Ow! I wasn't meant to do that. That was fake. Yeah, what are you up to? What are you doing? Well, I'm not really sure, but... Oh! Stop it! Stop it, big bro, you stupid guy. You... Okay, whatever. Alright, just... Well, I think that's quite good. Oh well, whatever. Ooh! So, yeah. That was quite good. That is quite good. I'm really thinking that's funny. Okay, whatever. Okay, I just gonna... Okay, what's this? I'm gonna blow! He's about to blow! Keep down! Oh no, fall! I'm gonna blow! Okay, so... Okay, fine. Not really. I just kind of laugh. That joke works every time. Every time. I can't believe it. Every time. Yeah, silly. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching. We're going to make another part, so I hope you enjoyed it. So, bye-bye.